Wait, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be basically teaching you how I decorated this cake. Yeah, basically that is. By the way guys, thank you so much for 1K subscribers. It really means a lot to me. If you're watching this video and you're not yet a subscriber, please just hit the subscribe button and let's get into probably 2K. Gradually, I'm not being too greedy, just get to 2K, then we'll fight for 5K. But for now, basically this is the video on how I decorate this cake. And please do to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Straightforward design. It's a 2-colored cake. It's quite difficult dividing this cake into 2 colors though, because it's a really small cake, you know, but it's not impossible. You just have to know your limits and use your eye gauge to gauge where you want your line to stop, but basically. So that is done. Just roughly covering the top layer. Then I'll move to the body. I don't want it so down. Oh sorry, I put it on the side. Sorry. Yes, I think that's much better. So once that is done, I'll just be refining my edges. Just refining my edges, you know. Just refining my edges. Then I will be scraping out some of these. I have to clean this. I have this pink protection on it. I'll be scraping out some of this blue icing. I want to just store them for in case I have like gaps in this up layer that I would like to fill out and all. Then coming in with my cocoa powder, I'll just add some cocoa powder because I want a darker shade here of what icing will be down here. Then I think I need small, not so much. This should be it. Then coming in my bowl because adding cocoa powder will make everything dark. Check if my camera is recording. Yes, it's recording. I have to add more cocoa powder no more because the buttercream is quite hard and adding some black color to it. Don't get black. Okay, I have black here. More black colors. I have black now. So just come on now. So cleaning my hand, I'm getting my scraper to just scrape the edges a bit. I would just basically be scraping this roughly and seeing how well. So I think this is a clean cut. I will be smoothing the top. I'll be smoothing the top. This top doesn't really matter if it's really smooth or not because I'll be adding chocolate drip at the top right now. So that's it, guys. So this is how I create some of my drips. Not all, but most of them. So I'll just pour the chocolate. I could use this thing to hold the cup and just put in. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Let's spray some chocolate. Already is hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate sounds more Nigerian. I think I have enough juice here. Or I have enough chocolate here to create the drip. So I'm going to be cutting a little part from the nozzle. That's also the cake. I'll have to remove this. Yes, remove the. So I'll just come like this, squeeze a bit. We're putting the rest inside the cup. I'm squeezing the rest in my mouth. Let's see how my drip is. It's a bit nasty, but I like it this way because it's a boiled cake, so I'll just come with this. I think this is good. I like this opening here. So I'll just stop there. Then, she said she wanted sweetheart in the cake. Happy birthday, sweetheart. So I'll have to write sweetheart with another. So this particular one, I've got it very, very tiny, very close to the mouth. This is small opening. Yes. So these are really sweethearts. It doesn't look like you do, but you do. Sweethearts. Why sweethearts in the cake anyway? just cleaning my hand. I would love to add a lot of cookies and but I'm adding silver to this cake. So I'm getting my silver toast. A happy birthday topper. I think this would fit a lot. So I think this happy birthday topper to somewhere around here. Yes. I don't think this will do. So adding some more cookies. Ooh. That's all. Yes, and I think with this, here is the cake complete. So we actually this is the end of the video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you next time.